I love floral die cuts when it comes to card making and creating. Here I'm comparing the Wildflowers die from Sizzix with the Wildflower Stems number 3. Now the Wildflowers die set has 7 dies in the set with a different variety of flowers. Set number 3, or Wildflower Stems number 3, has 5 different varieties in the set. You can see that the scale is fairly similar between the two sets. I like to go back and forth between different sets, and I tend to mix and match the ones that I am using. I often will not stick with one set only. It changes up the look a little bit. Let's cut one of the dies from set or Wildflower Stems number 3. I use a Big Shot when I'm doing my die cutting, and I find that these dies are great for using up scraps. They tend to be less than a couple inches wide, but they're a little bit tall, so I often have scraps that fit just perfectly. I put them through my machine. I usually do the blade face up. That's where the most pressure is from, and the die cut comes right out of the die, so it makes it nice and easy. I can use that die cut as is, or I could even ink it with different inks or sprays. The other thing is I just cut regular cardstock here. You can use these to die cut glitter cardstock. Here I have a sample of one on a card, and vellum. It cuts vellum very easily, so it's nice to be able to cut those things to get a bit of variety in your different die cuts.